So gentlemen, today I hope to mount the zombie verter, the VCU, up against the firewall of the Rabbit. It is going to look something like this. And some of you may ask, why don't you put it inside the cabin there to keep it weatherproof and such? And that's why I'm making this video. I think sharing this is important. Unfortunately, this is all the length we get when we buy the wire harness. If we're lucky enough to get the wire harness for the inverter, plugs in here, and I doubt it would reach inside unless maybe I cut some hole in here. But regardless, we're limited in the length of the inverter harness, pigtail if you will. So when I ordered this Rabbit back in 1984, I opted for the future upgrade to electric, and that's why I have these on here, okay? Maybe all of them have it, I don't know. Furthermore, for this, I hope to use what I think is maybe aluminum. This is from a ladder, like an aluminum ladder. And I think this longer brace, I'm going to cut out this rivet, and I won't just mount it flat like that. It's kind of going to have a step in it, okay? Hopefully you can see that on the camera. So yeah, we're going to bend some metal, drill some holes, and hopefully have the inverter mounted. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and there it is, the bracket for the zombie verter. And yes, I got it right on the first try. So I am going to treat myself to a little bling, because sometimes you just have to feel pretty. Okay, so this is how it's going to mount to the firewall, if you will. So I'm going to enjoy putting this on here. Yes, it will be removed. Yes, I'm using acorn nuts. Like I said, doing a little bling bling. This all should fit smoothly and beautifully. No, don't give me a little attitude now. There we go. You know, this part is fun, but I had to earn it. So I'm going to enjoy it, share it with you guys. And that's how we will mount it to the firewall. So let's go do that next. All right, guys, it's time to mount the zombie to the firewall. And I just want to show you how I'll be attaching it there. I'm using these type of, I don't know if these are called J clips or C clips or something things. It's whatever the first thing I found in my junk drawer. So two just like these two are already slipped on here. And that just helps you out so you don't have to hold a nut behind there. You guys know how it works. Okay. Let's see if we get lucky, punk. Never know what size of screws to use with these. I always seem to use the wrong ones. Maybe one time we can use the right ones. So you seasoned mechanics know this, but for some of you young Padawans, you might be tempted to mount your header on the top like so, and you really want to mount it underneath, and that just to allow the moisture to flow down, and when your girlfriend takes your car to the car wash without you knowing to surprise you, then she won't get any water inside of your VCU. Oh man, that looks good. Say what you will about German engineering, but man, the foresight on these guys. How did they know? All right, I am happy. I think I earned a beer or two. That looks so good. I'm going to try to plug this in. Probably look like a total dingling dingbat. Which way does it go? Well, there are those cutouts. Okay, maybe it goes like this. I have no idea. Should have looked. No way. Oh my goodness. I like it. I don't know, maybe it could have gone up an inch or so, but come on, Damien. Where's the logo? You know, we need something in there. What do I put? VW Prius? Toyota Rabbit? EV BMW? Zombie Verder? Let me know in the comments what should go in there. Big decisions, guys, big decisions. I am so happy with that.